Welcome back to Web Development Tutorial Series. This is the 15th tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to show and hide the author's name, date, comments, and so on. Okay, let's go back to our view block. Suppose we want to hide the date, or suppose we want to hide the name of the person who posted the article. Okay, shall we see by going from layout and scroll it down and see from the blog post as we did before. Click upon the pencil symbol, which means edit, and over here, if you want the name of the author to be seen by the viewer, you can click upon the square bracket, and if you want to hide then date, you can unclick it or you can untick it, and comments also, if you want to hide, you can untick. That's up to you. And photos and vacation, if you want or if you do not want. If you want to hide your photos from your viewers, you can untick it. That's up to you. Okay, and the location, tick, untick, all this very easy process. The process, tick means everything will be shown, and untick means it will be hidden from the viewers. Suppose here we want to show the name of the author, or the name of the person who posted the article, so just tick upon the square bracket, and if you want to hide the date, just untick it. If you want to show this, okay, it's up to you. Okay, shall we go and see by just save it, and here another save again as we did before, and after everything is ready, scroll it down, wait for the system for it is saving. Okay, after that, view the blog. Okay, the name of the person who posted this article is significantly seen over here, as we have 3 posts over here also, and the date are hidden. This is all for this tutorial. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.